Today's guided meditation is going to focus on muscle relaxation. Something perfect if you feel any tension in your body. If you feel tired and you need to release that uncomfortable sensation, this body scan will help you to listen to your body in a brand new way, learning how to release any tension and any stress. Lie down on your bed, on your couch, or wherever you feel calm and able to let your defenses down. Find a comfortable, relaxing position where you can feel grounded, at ease, finally ready to chill and focus on how you feel. Don't force your body to change how it feels, but instead try to accept its signals. This is your body's way to speak to you. Instead of shutting it down, respect that. Listen to it. Cherish every single message to learn something more about your body and how it reacts to things, emotions, or illness. Did you know that muscular tension is strictly linked to stress, anxiety, and worries? It's time to release all of this from your body and your minds as well. Now we will begin the body scan from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. We will observe how we really feel, to notice how body sensation and release some pain and tension with this meditation. With the power of our caring, mindful and nourishing breath. Let's begin. As I say the part of the body, simply visualize relaxation. And if you feel any tension there, see if you can send your breath there like a laser, releasing tension, pain or stress that you may be holding in that specific area of your body. Bring the attention to the top of your head. The forehead. The cheeks, your mouth, the back of your head, your neck, shoulders, your chest, upper back, the middle back, lower back, your stomach, your ribs, bring your awareness to your shoulders, moving down to the biceps, triceps, the forearms, your hands, imagine the tension melting away from each body part as you think upon it. Now bring your attention to your hips. Feel them firmly rooted to the surface below you. Your thighs, the right thigh and the left thigh. Right knee, left knee. Right shin and calf muscle. Left shin and calf muscle. Right ankle, left ankle, right foot, the bottom of the foot, top of the foot, your toes, left foot, bottom of the left foot, top of the foot, and finally your left toes. Feel that tension slowly leaving each body part, melting away, leaving you feeling loose. Now scan your full body from head to toe as a total body overview. Take your time to notice how you really feel. If you feel any tension, any pain, bring your awareness to that area of your body and breathe in positivity and energy into that body part. Then exhale out the discomfort and the pain that you feel. Feel the pain melting from your body, leaving you in total relaxation. Body free from tension, ready for the rest of your day with a relaxed, brand new perspective. Use this relaxing body scan whenever you need to find your center, whenever you need to feel yourself and to relax. Once you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today for this guided relaxation meditation. I have truly enjoyed meditating with you today. I hope you can bring this calm presence into the rest of your day, and I look forward to joining you again soon on your meditation journey. Take care, friends.